Hi mga katas! This is your Kuya Taba, David Chowder, and welcome to my vlog. So for today's episode is our Mother's Day special. So, in-invite ko ang aking lola at ang aking mama dito sa Festival Mall dito sa Alabang. At kami ay kakain. So, in-invite ko na rin ang aking mga kamag-anak, ang aking tita, kuya ko, hipag ko. Kasi since May na rin naman ngayon, dalawa sa amin ang magbe-birthday ng month of May. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog and happy Mother's Day sa inyong mga mother. Ayan, so watch this. Happy Mother's Day. Mother's Day. First round pa lang yan mga katabs.
May ano pa doon, may pizza, may burger, may fries.
Sashimi. Fresh. Happy birthday!
Hi.
Happy birthday! You're gonna be in my vlog. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Happy birthday, Tati.
Happy na birthday pa, oh my,
Lalamon tayo ng dessert dito sa food club. And I'll be with my birthday boy pamangkin. So we will eat and review the desserts here sa food club. Gummies. Leche flan. Ano lang. Not your usual leche flan. Pero pwede na. Show them how you will eat your, what's that one? Cookies and cream?
I think
Huh?
parang
Move. Eh. Future vlogger.
it's good, it's creamy.
It's good and it's creamy daw.
You can make your own float. Get root beer.
Ito yung bread, parang mango something. Pero may pagka weird lang yung lasa. Eh yung cake mo, kamusta?
It's good. It's
Like a normal parang cookies and cream.
Show them, show them.
Ice cream.
And how's the icing?
So it's normal icing.
Normal icing. Ito naman, ewan ko, may kiwi. May kiwi. Ah, parang siyang jelly ace. Pero for me, hindi siya giving. But maybe because one, it's not cold. Okay. Siguro this one will rate this 5 out of 10. Yung leche flan, rate ko siya ng 5 out of 10. Itong mango bread something nila, 4. Not good. Wanna taste? Not good. So I'll rate this 4 out of 10. Unfortunately, wala pa ako masyadong na-enjoy na dessert. Chocolate with coconut something.
Lalakad ko lang
Okay.
sa amin para isa ko nag-iisip lang. Traffic pa kanila.
6 out of 10.
Tapos yung party.
Mousse. Ito yung parehas natin kinuha, di ba?
Yeah.
This one's chocolate mousse. So you have to make halo.
Yeah. Until it's like this. Until you get the bottom.
So that's how you eat this pala.
Yeah.
Halimbawa kung ibigin mo ng peso. Kasi dito ang traffic. Kasi ang sa kanyang bata ko is ito madali na ako.
Ito, mga 7 out of 10. It is something na medyo masarap. Okay, but as a in general, siguro yun yung number 1 na kailangan i-improve ng food club, yung dessert nila. Kasi for me, it's not that giving. But the food here, in general, as a whole, I will rate it 8 out of 10. Medyo pumasa naman sa panlasa na. How about you, Tati? If you're gonna rate the food here, how will you gonna rate it? And tell them muna what did you eat.
What I ate?
Yeah. Fries,
Yeah, I had a lot of fries. Pizza.
hot dog,
Yeah, and pancit.
and pancit. So, how are you gonna rate it?
For me, it's like a 8.5.
Ah, that's big. 8.5. And how about the dessert?
The dessert is okay. It's a little bit, not that good.
Yeah, it's not.
But 7.8.
7.8. Yung favorite, parehas kami favorite eh. This one, oh. Gummy worms.
So
yun
na nga mga kataps.
So, we celebrated Mother's Day and Rohi and Tati's birthday dito sa food club. So, ano ba yung sasabihin ko? Hindi, kapag birthday mo or birth month mo, libre ka kapag meron kang 2 paying adults. Okay, so kung birth month mo ngayon May, para libre ka dito, kailangan meron kang 2 paying adults. Tapos, syempre, they accept discount cards like DWD, senior citizen card. So, like si Lola, since she's already 82 years old, 50% off yun. And then yung other senior citizen namin kasama, which is yung tito ko, discounted siya ng 20%. So, in fairness naman, in a way, okay na rin ang experience dito sa The Food Club. And I think I'm gonna rate the overall experience namin dito ng 8. Yan, 8 out of 10. So, perfect naman yung price niya dun sa quality ng food na binibigay. And of course, meron talaga laging room for improvement. Yan. So, ayun lang naman. By the way, dumating na rin yung mga pinsan ko. Ayun sila.
Lagi lang naman. Malakas yung session.
So, tapos na kami kumain mga tabs. Ito yung aftermath.
Welcome to my vlog!
Happy Mother's Day po, tita.
Thank you!
Happy Mother's Day at today.
Happy Mother's Day sa lahat ng mothers!
Tapos na kami. So, kami uuwi na. So, ayun. Sana nagustuhan itong vlog na to. And sana na-treat nyo rin yung mga mother nyo. Kahit hindi sa mamahaling restaurant. Basta importante yung magkakasama kayo. Kasi, yun naman yun talaga. And, I'm so happy lang din. Kasi ngayon ko lang din to nagagawa. Na natitreat ko si Lola, si Mama. Ngayon ko lang dito nagagawa. Before, hindi talaga. Kasi talagang sobrang hirap ng buhay talaga. And I'm so happy and I'm so blessed. And thank you, Lord God, for your grace na until now kasama pa namin si Lola, si Mama ko, at nabibigay ko na yung mga gusto nilang gawin. Or gusto nilang puntahan, gusto nilang kainan. Especially ngayon, Mother's Day. So, happy Mother's Day sa inyong mga mother, mga katabs. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget, live your life to the fullest. Bye!